Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how people are making so much money using AI videos, and it's so simple but many people don't know how to use it. So that's here I am showing it to you. Just check out the video first, okay? If you don't know who I am owner of moneymet.xyz. You can come and check it out. I am selling different kind of courses, method and multiple things. Here in this video I will explain you about this thing. When you go on the YouTube and type any kind of AI thing, like, just go on and check it out yourself. Just go on and type animal AI shorts and you will see multiple videos with the millions of views. So you will shock about this, how this has happened. 41 million, 1 million, 1.1 million, 10 million view, 22 millions views, and so on. Here is some channels. I just grab it for you so you will understand it, okay? This is the channels. You can see this is the channel. This is not my channel. I just show it to you as a proof that this all is AI videos. You can come and check it out. So it start with this. He's getting 100,000 views. Then next video 4.2 million views, 92,000, 75, 1 million, again 1 million, 6 million, 1.7 million, 16 millions, and so on. Here another example of the AI videos. You can check it out. 7 million view, 30 million, 1.2 millions, 1.3 million, 3 million, 9 million, and so on. Okay, so how this is going on? They are all using one software which is Sora AI. Okay, I hope you understand what is the Sora AI. When you go on the Google and check it out yourself as well, you will see. So you can see here as you can see, all the channels getting of millions of views. How they are getting all this kind of millions of views? Using this thing. This is called Sora 2. When you go on Google search here. So this is not every in country. This is only in top rated tier 1 countries right now working. So when you click on the description, I will show it to you. There is a link. You can go on my course and you will get the link. How you can get and use unlimited? Yes, you can hear me right. Unlimited. If you going to on YouTube and getting different kind of videos, how you get the Sora 2 application and sign up, you only create 2 to 4 videos max, or you need an invitation code as well. But using this method you can create unlimited Sora 2 videos. Also this method is totally free, okay? If you want to pay something, you can pay me $1, $2, $5, $10, whatever you want. And also you can just go on, click on the 0 in the Gumroad page and you will get this thing, okay? So just grab this link and get it right now. I hope you enjoy the video. If you have any kind of problem, you can mail me here, info@moneymet.xyz. Okay, you can come and check it out. This is my email ID. You can come and mail me as well. My mail ID is info@moneymet.xyz. Okay, so if you really need this method, Sora 2 unlimited video creation method, just come and check it out. Click on the description link, go on the Gumroad page and put the 0 and you can download it and you can buy it. Okay, if you have money you can pay me $2, $5, whatever you want. Okay, I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.